Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Volkswagen Transporter short wheel base low roof van. Stock reference number 3890. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a CAAC 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic front wheel drive transmission. CAAC 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear sliding door also appears to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left taillight's in good condition, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor tight, tailgate appears to have no damage apart from one small dent. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and right power door mirror. There's the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, touchscreen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder or roof console, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 28,000 kilometres, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.